As we continue to address COVID-19, Canada is working with partners to make vaccines domestically. This includes Medicago, a biopharmaceutical company from Quebec that develops plant-based technology for vaccines and antibodies. Medicago is no stranger to fighting pandemics. In 2009, they produced a vaccine for H1N1 in just 19 days. They repeated the success, developing virus-like particles of the coronavirus in just 20 days. To deliver life-saving vaccines to Canadians, Medicago is building a new multi-million-dollar complex in Destimoville, Quebec. It will deliver up to 1 billion doses of pandemic vaccines per year. The new facility will increase Canada's manufacturing capacity for pandemic flus and variants, new vaccines, antibodies, and other therapeutics. Medicago recently submitted a vaccine candidate to Health Canada. If approved, it will be the first plant-based COVID-19 vaccine to be both developed and manufactured in Canada. This is just one of the projects the Government of Canada is supporting as we work to keep Canadians safe and build back better.